Information about the replacement of a battery in a CASIO SGW-400. It might be valid also for SGW-450. Now, first of all, you need a replacement battery. It's highly recommended to use some of the great brands like Panasonic or Renata or others, and not cheap cells which are bought in a 6-pack in a supermarket. The cheap cells can't compete in capacity with the cells of the major brands. The required type is a CR2016. First of all, you have to release the spring bar in the watch strap by pressing it on the marked pin. After removing the rear cover, we see the inner parts of the watch. First of all, do not remove the white sticker above the battery. We will come to this later on. The plus terminal of the battery is behind the sticker, which is marked red, while the minus terminal of the battery is connected to the outer parts of the movement. On the right we see a tiny spring, which is the contact for the piezo disc in the rear cover, while the contact on the left side leads the minus terminal to the piezo disc via the rear cover. Attention! The tiny spring is very sensitive and I have damaged it when I was working further on. Finally, the release for the spring covering the battery compartment can be released at the shown position. There is a small gap where you can insert a pin like a strong sewing pin or the pin part of a safety pin for releasing the tongue of the cover of the battery compartment. The battery was cleaned with some spirit to remove any fingerprints which might damage the terminals in the movement after a while. Listen to the click. Finally, we do the all clear setting AC, which is recommended on the sticker, by connecting the AC contact with the minus potential. This can be done with a wire or here with the tweezers. Now, what's the purpose of the white sticker? If you look at these extensions here, they electrically insulate the metal from getting into contact with the rear cover, avoiding a short circuit. This might lead to leakage of the battery, which will then destroy the inner parts of the movement. In the hope the advices were useful, goodbye.